By now, you've all been made aware of the Office of Management and Budget's proposal to politicize the entire grants making process in the federal government. Their proposal, if it becomes a regulation, would allow political appointees to have basically carte blanche veto power over just about every part of the grants making process: peer review, canceling active grants mid project, uh, disregarding whole areas of research, also hindering scientists and researchers from publishing in particular journals and even participating or attending in their special professional societies, where they would continue to collaborate and network and advance the science that's so important to all of us. But even though this proposed regulation has dire consequences, it doesn't mean that we can't speak up. Listen, this time last year, when AGU leaned into, as it pertained to the illegal firing of federal employees, we won. We had our members in mind when we did that. But also, just recently, because of you and the many calls and emails that you sent to Congress, we've recently seen where a judge stepped in to stop NSF's dismantling of the National Center for Atmospheric Research. So democracy still works. Our voice still matters. And we are asking you right now, with this new OMB proposed policy change for the grants making process in the federal space, that you speak up and speak out, share the information, and get as many people as possible to be activated in this space. Science depends on it. We depend on you as AGU. You are our members, and we have to make our voices heard during this time. We've done it before, and we can do it again. Thank you so much.